A product highlight features our double cable valley panel, the VP-DC, which can be installed on a shingle valley, otherwise known as a woven valley or California or close cut valley, as well as a metal W valley or metal V valley. The double cable valley panel consists of a base extrusion, as well as our self-regulating heat cables, and then a snap-on color-clad cover. Our universal base extrusion contains areas that allow it to be adhered to the peak of a metal W valley, or the flat surfaces allow it to be adhered to a shingle valley, so it's woven, California, or close cut, as well as a metal V valley, and other surfaces such as membrane-style roofing or metal roofing runs. A few examples showing how the valley panel works with snow. You see here on either side of this entrance to this facility, the valley bottoms are protected by 5 feet of double cable valley panel. Another example of our double cable valley panel, this time combined with a heated gutter guard as well as double cable eave panels, keeping the bottom area of this valley free from ice buildup. And lastly, our double cable valley panel shown in conjunction with a single cable eave panel, keeping the eaves and valleys clear from ice buildup. An example of the double cable valley panel clad in copper, installed on a copper W valley along with a cedar shake roof. Here we see the double cable valley panel installed on a metal W valley. Notice the notch at the top of the cover on the double cable eave panel with a nice finish closed end. We also see a double cable valley panel installed on the EPDM rubber roof, creating a defined melt path. Here we see an example of the double cable valley panel on a shingle roof, a woven or California or close cut valley. It creates a melt path also where the downspout drains as the valley continues down the roof, and then Y's off or V's off to continue up the valley as it turns, and then also along the wall. It's another good application for the valley panel. Another typical installation at inside corners involves the double cable valley panel along with the double cable eave panel on either side. These are areas that typically build up with more snow and therefore bigger ice dams. Another common use for the double cable valley panel is actually routing it up roof lines up to an upper gutter to create a defined drain melt path. And lastly, you see the double cable valley panel here installed on a metal standing seam roof. It's typical to install the double cable valley panel the entire valley length to adhere it securely to prevent it being ripped off when the snow cascades down into the valley. For more information on our valley panels as well as all of our other products, please visit Edge Melt Systems.